Cha-ching!
Hey guys! In my last video, we picked up our new project boat, a Hawk 200, and towed it to the warehouse. We made it safely and got her tucked inside. However, the trailer barely fit through the door, which was kind of surprising because it's supposed to be a roughly 10 by 10 opening. The problem was one of the previous owners welded on steel guide tubes that extended a little past the outside of the fenders. Then they mounted the lights on the outside of that. The left side with the license plate was even worse. Total width turned out to be over 9 feet and 7 inches, way over the legal limit. A little surgery with the Sawzall and remounting new lights lower brought it back to a legal 8.5 feet. I also replaced the broken trailer jack. The trailer is in really rough shape and will be replaced in the future, but for right now it's functional. The boat has a ton of old accessories, like rod holders, cleats, bimini mounts, fender attachments, handrails, and a really ugly yellow bimini top that all need to come off. The old owner made supports for the bimini top out of rectangular aluminum tube. Unfortunately, he bolted it right through the sides of the hull, causing a warp that I'll need to fix later on. The boat has these cast aluminum corner details that I really like, but they are pretty beat up. I might try to recreate them out of fiberglass later on in the project. Okay, so I know some of you guys love them, but I don't plan on using the old 88 horsepower Johnson 2-stroke motor. It looks like it's in fair shape, however, I'm not even going to try to start it. The wiring is a big rat's nest, and there are broken and corroded leads everywhere. As of now, my plans are to use a smaller, more modern 4-stroke in the end. The fuel tank and console, although in decent shape, will be removed as well. For these model boats that got the carpeted interior, the factory didn't even bother to gel coat them. They glued the carpet right on top of the raw fiberglass. I haven't figured out if this works in my favor or not yet. I spent a few hours today unscrewing, unbolting, and cutting off as much as I could from the gunnels. It's already looking much better. Once I get the motor and console off, I'll start ripping out the old carpet and floors. More progress will be coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.
Cha-ching!